Alright, so good morning to all my followers from the LOTTO channel for followers another day. Today is lucky Tuesday. One lucky yesterday. Banker 48 was the first number, and yet we lost. Alright, so we need to forge ahead. Today's game is a timing plan too, and today my banker is 25. I'm failing banker 25. I'm failing 25. Alright, so like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Once again, it's Solomon Agozo. So we will see. I saw this 2560. This 2560. One will repeat. That happens. Wait for the 2 at machine again. Alright. So you see the 2. One will repeat. So here 60 repeated. So as that continues, it's not continuous. You wait for the 2 at machine again. You see them here. Then the next time is here 2560. This time around 25 repeated. Alright. So wait for the 2 at machine again. This time around they are in machine. So let me tell you something. What is going on about there? Let me just explain certain things to you. So we go on. So you count from here to here. And you see the numbers over here. First, let me come here. 65, 36, 65, 36. Here they are 78 and 71. 78 and 71. Alright. So it is this 65 and 36. It is the one in machine. You see the 36 over here from 96. This number from 96 is what is giving this 60. So if this is 78 and 71, then 71 to from 96 is this 25 over here. Alright. So counting with, you're going to meet 37. You see, this 37. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 with the 25 comes back. So this one, 36, from 96 will give you 60. Double 7 is constant. And I'll tell you why the double 7 is banker 2. Then the 25 came. You see. So since this time round, this 71 here with the 70, the 71 from 96 will give you 25. Counting with the double 7 maintains position at second boss. And this time around, 60 came. So they are switching. So if you saw 60 here, 25 came here. Then if you saw 25 here, 60 was to come here. Alright, so if that is the case, if you add, since 60 and 25 are different, 35, then this and this, addition of what? 137. You see, 60 and double 7, addition of 137. Then 25 and double 7 will be addition of 102. So 102 and 137 is difference of 35. So let's see something. So when you saw the two numbers, this 60 will be the number that will come with the 25 and will come to machine. Then the 60 will repeat. So when it repeats, wait for the two numbers in machine. You see, when they repeat, wait for them in machine. When they come to machine, alright, those two numbers, since they are different 35, it is this 60, the one that repeated. The one that repeated plus 34. No, plus from 114, the one that repeated from 114 will give you this 54. We'll give you this 54. Then the one that will not repeat, the one that the 20, the 60 from 114 is this 54. Then the 25. The 25 from 109 will also give you 84. The two come to give it difference. Two numbers addition of 138. So 60 from 114. You see, then the 25 from 109. You see the two close. Then the two numbers again will move to machine. You see the two, they will move to machine. So when they move to machine, the 60 that came from here came to repeat. If the two come again, is that 60 that repeated. Don't confuse yourself. The 60 repeated. The 60 moved from machine to winning. It's the 60 that moved from machine to winning. So this time around, don't confuse us. It's not the 60 that will move. I don't like the 60. I want to pick the for 25. This time around, this 71 from 96 is the 25 here, and the 25 will come and pick 60 here. You see, then the 2 will all move to machine. You see, then the 25 will repeat. You see, the 25 will repeat. So if the 25 repeats, that 25 from 114 is this 89. From 114 is this 89. And the 60 from 109 will also give you this 49. You see, so the 2 numbers will move to machine straight. You see, when you move to machine, bring the 25. The one that repeated, the one that moved from here to here that repeated, when they come, is that number that you must pick. It's 1 to 90. So 25 is my banker. Now the 7, you see this one. And here. Since 25 and 35, since 25 and 60 are difference of 35, the 60 came with 7. To show, to give you difference of addition of 137. So if you want difference 35, then the 7 must be constant because it's looking for difference 35. Because it's looking for difference what? 35. So if the 60 came and picked the constant 7 and they came to play over here, when the 60 moved to machine with 25, they came to play 60 7. Then this time around, the 25 must also come with the 7 again. This 7, the 25 must come with the 7 because it is looking for difference 35 because 25 and 60 are difference of 35. So the 7 must come as constant figure to give you difference 35 with the 25 addition 102 and the 60 7 addition of 137. So my two show is this 25 7. Now let's see something. Additional figures. Since 36 from 96 is a 60 and 25 from 96 is this 25, I bet you must bring the 36 in addition. So because the 36 came to pick the 60 and the 7, so it's like this. 36 here came to pick this 60 and the 37. So if the 60 moved to machine and was coming, it came with a 36 and 7. Alright, so this time around, since the 71 here from 96 is the 25 over here. Alright, so if the 25 moved to machine and it's supposed to come today, kindly do what? Add 71, take 71, 25 and 7, these 3 numbers. You see 71, you see 71, 25 and 7, 3 numbers. So this is it. This is it. 25 7 71. Best 3 numbers. Best 3 numbers. Alright. Then the next thing we'll do is this. Since you see this 65 over here. Here it is 78. And you see 1, 2, 3, 4, the interchange. The 65 was there. Here 78 was there. And the interchange. You see. So the 65, 78. Here 65. Here 65 and 78. And here 78 and 65. So the interchange over there. So kindly do this for me. This turning, this number, the turning is 60, 56. It will be here, machine. Close with the numbers. This is 65 for 10. And come here. You see? So here the 78 to 10, 87. You see it over here. The 65, 10. 56, machine close with the numbers. So 78, 10. 87, close. You see? So the 65 came. This is the 5 came. Which means this number 10. You see? So 10 this number to 78. Which means this original 65 came. So the original 78 must come. So just like 1, 2, they also came. 65, 36, they also came. So 70, 71, they must also come. You see, but before then, they must first turn to machine. So you see 56 in machine, then they turn back. So here, 78 in machine. 78 turn to machine to 87, it must turn back to 78. Good. If that is the case, then the 87 here came here. So the 87 here came here. So here, you must go for the 56 2 in addition, because it is vice versa. So when the number 10 to machine, 56, 65 10 to machine and came, and then the 78 10 to machine, 87, then 78 is coming. The 87 and the 56 also will switch. You see, 56, 87. There's 56 here. There's 87. So the two will also switch. So if you see 87 here, bring the 87 also here. There was some games to our team, that is why I don't want us to leave this thing. This you see the 70 here. So the 60 itself is dangerous too. So you can add a 60 to the numbers and pen. 70 and then a number 70 column here, and then you see 89. Then this number from 135 is this as 4 blocks. So the number came. So if you come here, 75 here, 89 falls under it. So the 75 from 135 will give you 60 at 4 blocks. So it's likely the 60 to drop. So 70, 89. 70 from 135 is this. Bring it. 75, 89. 75 from 80, 30, 135, 60. So the 62 can come. So for you to avoid trouble, just add the 60 to these numbers and pen. But this event, pen the event for me. Pen this event. Avoid trouble. Pen this event. I emphasize it. Pen this event. Pen this event. Alright, so this is my banker. My two shares 2577. I wrote it here boldly. 2577. 3 numbers 257771. Then 4 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 25, 77, 56, 71. 5 numbers is this. You see, you can capture it here. 25, 77, 56, 71, 78. Then add 60 to avoid trouble, because 25 and 61 can drop. But I'm relying on the 25 as my 120 banker. So add 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Avoid trouble. You win. God bless all of you. My name again, Solomon Aguzo. God bless you. Thank you very much.